One.
Hi guys, this is Anna from Roots Salon in Brookfield, and today I will be showing you how I do my third day hair half style. The products that I will be using today are Give Me Clean Hair Dry Shampoo, Miro Protect, and then a little bit of the Super Skinny Serum. You will also need a curling iron, a brush, and some hair ties and bobby pins. So what I do, I'll start off with the 11 Australia dry shampoo, and I'll kind of just work that through in sections, just to kind of absorb any of the oils, because like I said, this is my third day hair styling. You see any of that white powdery residue, just kind of work it through. Sometimes I also like to use my brush to just kind of work it in better. All right. Once you're good with how that looks, usually just take a little bit less than half. I like to leave a little bit of hair out. And then we're gonna brush back. And then little hair tie. Pull that up. And then maybe a little higher. Just kind of tighten it to go up a little higher like that. And you get that natural lift there too. All right. And then what I like to do is just kind of recurl some of my hair to freshen up. So then I will start off with the Miro Protect. Just making sure all my hair gets protected from any heat. So I already have some of those waves in there already from previous curling. So I'm just gonna go in and do a few strands that need a little bit more curl.
What size curling iron are you using, Anna?
This is a 1.5, I believe. So if you want bigger curls, looser curls, I mean, you usually want to use a bigger curling iron. This is perfect for what I'm trying to go for, because usually I just go in and I let the curls cool off first, and then I'll go in and kind of break them apart, just for a softer look. And just take section by section. I kind of take bigger sections too, just because I don't want that perfect curl. And then this up here looks good to me, but there's just maybe a couple strands that I'm gonna curl. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. And then I want it a little tighter, so I'm just gonna go in and put another hair tie there. And then what I'm gonna do as well is put a little bit of like a one strand to wrap it around, just to add, you know, that extra touch, so you're not seeing the rubber band. And then I'll take a bobby pin. So I wrapped it around. Once you can't really wrap it around anymore, you just leave that piece in the back there. And then what I'm gonna do is just bobby pin it there in place. So that'll stay there. And we're good there, okay? And then what I'll go ahead and do is just kind of break up the curls a little bit. And then I like to finish with the super skinny serum, just to add some shine. So just dime size is good enough. And I work it through my hands like lotion. And then just kind of put that on my ends.